Thank you all. Appreciate you coming. Head on in there and shop, shop, shop. Thank you for coming. Appreciate it. Have fun. Have fun. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Thank you all. It's time to shop. Thank you all. Appreciate you coming. Glad you brought your cart back. Wow, this is like, wow. It's hard to believe we started in a hotel ballroom with 50 nail techs demoing, 6 educators demoing and 50 nail techs. And now here we are with, last year it was over 700 nail techs. So hey, this is quite amazing to be in business 15 years. Wait. Thank you, appreciate it. Glad y'all got to come. So let's see here. That's what's going on today. Anyway, if you are not here at the nail tech event of the Smokies in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, you need to make plans to join us next year. It's always the second weekend in July. So dates will be released and new information on the Nail Tech Event website. Go to nailtechevent.com. Thanks and peace out.